Hi kiddos, Miss Smith here, and I'm so excited you're joining me for another story. This week we've been talking a lot about money. What is money? How can you earn money? What things you can buy with money? Let's keep learning about money with our story called Earning, Spending, Saving. I see a person here sweeping and it looks like they're earning money. I see a person at the store carrying a bag of groceries. It looks like they spent money. I see a coin going in a piggy bank. That means you're saving money. As we read our story today, we're going to practice using our vocab board to point out key words. Let's get started. Earning, spending, saving. Where do people get money? What do people do with money? Can you think of how people earn money? Can you think of what people do with money? Let's keep reading. People can earn money by working. People can earn money by helping others. People earn money, work. Can you touch the key words? People earn money, work. People can choose to spend their money. People can choose to save their money. People choose, spend money, or people choose, save money. Can you touch your vocab board with me? People choose, spend money. People choose, save money. Good job. People spend money on things they need. People spend money on things they want. People spend money, thing, need. People spend money, thing, want. Can you touch your vocab board with me? People spend money, thing, need. People spend money, thing, want. Things that we need are like water, our house, clothes, food. Things that we want are things like a bike, games, ice cream, Can you think of things that you need and things that you want? People save money by keeping it in a safe place. People save money at the bank. People save money at home. People save money bank. People save money home. Can you touch your vocab board with me? People save money bank. People save money home. Do you have a piggy bank at your house that you save your money in? Do you earn money? Do you save or spend money? I know I earn my money by teaching. I save money at the bank, and I spend money on things I need at the grocery store. Can you think of somebody that earns money? Do they save it or spend it? I'm so glad you read with me today. Now click the link below to answer the questions. Have a great day.